Okay, YouTube. Today I'm trying to show you how to create your own ringtone on your iPhone with the new update on iTunes. Cause we know that new iTunes update is kind of hard and all that stuff. Like most people don't have ringtones on their phone. So today I'm gonna show you how to create a ringtone. It's so easy if you follow my steps. So the first thing we're gonna do right now is we're gonna go to your phone. You have to download this app right here. Just go to your app store. I sound weird this morning because I woke up so late. So okay, go to your app store. You search for ring ringtone. Uh, hold on. Ringtone. And you look for anyone, but I prefer using this one. Oh, this one. So I got you download that. You go back to your ringtone. When this stuff pops up, just say no. And you go to create ringtone. And you push this all the way to the first line. Like you can adjust your ringtone any way you want it to start from. And you only have 30 seconds of ringtones. You can't create more than 30 seconds. Okay. And you click right here, this button right here. It takes you to your music library. And you select any song you like. Uh, let me see. Let me just select this one right here. Then I want to adjust my ringtone to 30 seconds. Okay. And I want to play my song. If I wanted to start from right here, you can play. So, but I want mine to start from all the way from the beginning. So this is 30 seconds ringtone. All I gotta do again, you press the same button to save it. You say okay. Don't watch no video. Just press okay. Then our second step after that, you go back to your iTunes. You see, you always see there on top, at the top left. Click right there. You go to your tones. There's nothing on your tone. All you gotta do is go back to your iPhone right there. Click on your iPhone or your iPod, like anything you got. And now we have to go to click on apps because we're already on the apps. So you scroll down, you see the ringtone stop. You click on it once, and you click on that one you just created because I already created a lot. So let me just leave it. You're only gonna have this 928 kilobyte if you have 30 seconds. If you have more than 30 seconds, I don't think the music is gonna play because I tried it like a lot of time but it didn't work. So that's the one I choose. You say when you click on that one, you click add or save. Just click save to. Brings you all the way down here. You click desktop. I click select folder. It's saved on your desktop. It's right here. It's right here. So you go back to your iTunes. You click done, and you click tones. Sorry, you click tones. Then you minimize your iTunes and drag the song you created back into the tones. You see, it's right there. Now all you gotta do is drag it again back to your iPhone. Say preparing to update. Okay, now let's go back to our phone. Let's go to our settings. You go back to settings. You go to sounds. Then it's right there. And you click on it. That's my ringtone. Thanks for watching.